Sometimes I go through the comment section of my previous videos, and I was going through the comment section of the video how extreme is too extreme, and I came across a comment which was saying it is their choice, you don't have to shame them, people have a freedom of choice. That's right, people have freedom of choice, but you cannot sell sex and want to have a place in the society which is normal, because nothing about porn is not normal. Watching porn is not normal, nothing about it is normal. Gangbang, BDSM, teenage, threesome, foursome, nothing is normal. And how are you even saying it? Okay, they are monetizing their sexuality, that's a good thing, good for them. Are you really a believer of that? And even so, they are selling it. Okay, well and good, now get out of sight, and you can't demand the same respect as a doctor, engineer, or any other profession in the society as you're demanding as a porn star. Because the thing is, sex and drugs, they are going to be sold till there are going to be customers to buy it. Both the drug dealer and the sex dealer, they are going to have this same argument that people are dumb enough to buy it, so why would I not sell it? It is just a simple business of supply and demand and supply. If there is going to be demand of something, there will be a supplier of that. And now women are sexualizing themselves by themselves and monetizing that sexuality, and before, women were being sexualized anyways, so why do you have a problem if women are making money off of that? Okay, can a drug dealer say the same thing? Can they expect the same place in the society that porn stars are demanding? Both of the addictions are ruining people's perspective of people. They are ruining people's perspective of women or men or sex in itself or society and everything. Both are addicting. Drugs are ruining people's life, but so is porn. So how can you support one and say that, oh, the second one is pretty extreme and I don't support that? Porn is not sex, it is just exaggerated something that gives people pleasure, because people like torture. And what are these people doing? The previous video that I documented, this 100 men in a day, 1000 men in a day, tell me if this is not torture, then what it is? They are selling extreme. What are drugs? Escape reality, extreme. But a drug dealer cannot come in public and ask for the same respect as some doctor and engineer, and just saying that there are always going to be customers, and as long as people are dumb enough to buy it, I'm going to sell it. And drugs are illegal, by the way. While porn is, in some countries it is illegal, in some countries it is not. Porn is not normal, and if you are coming in support of this thing, if you're coming in support of the extreme, I don't know what to say about you. Something which is ruining your perception of looking at life, something which is ruining your perception of women, of men, of sex, of society. Why would you support that? You would support that if you are a fan, and which was basically what it looked like. A fan would argue that why are you being so critical about that it's not that bad and you have to grow up and change your perception. But as someone who has developed a frontal lobe, think about it yourself. This is not normal. Porn is not normal, nor are drugs, but one is illegal and one is illegal and legal, and people are fighting every other day to make it legal, to make it acceptable in society. What to accept about this exaggerated torture?